I painted it, but damn if it ain't fun. I was working on imperatives while they were crafting narratives about who they are and what they do. I was on that show and prove that going for broke almost broke me in two. And I laid it on the line, no fault, the earth moved, I sunk in. There it is, somewhere along I buried it. Still don't have that figured out. Now I'm digging out and I dig in. Gun packed and trying to get that hunt back. And I need a kill. That's how I was built. High wire, no net, scars match, whole set out for the kill. All for the thrill of it all.